This demonstration is how to get started with progressive animation. First, when you start up PDF 3D Report Gen, a number of files can be added at the same time. In this case, I'll select about 17 different input files that all represent sections of the same larger model. Once they're loaded in here, just check that the numerical sequence is correct to create an animation. In this case, we have the number 001 going down to the number 017 for numerical sequence during our animation. We set the output file name for our completed animation, and we can go to the visual effects to set up some particular types of color for our output model. In this case, we're leaving everything as the default settings so that we have a global color on all parts that are coming in. If we'd like to adjust the color for our particular conversion, we can do that here. And we can also set a specular highlight to show the different shading effects across the surface. Once that's set up, we can now set up the characteristics of our animation. PDF 3D Report Gen has a special animation tab down here on the left. If we push that, we see a couple buttons at the top that can be selected. First of all, the basic sequence animation means that only one of our sequence will be shown at any given time as it walks through the list. However, if we also secondarily enable progressive mode, this means that it will progressively show more and more of the sequence as it goes through. Once that's in place, pushing the Convert button will start the process of loading all 17 models, assembling the animation, turning on progressive mode, and then exporting the PDF. Here's the resulting PDF shown in the Acrobat or Adobe Reader, where we can move the model in 3D and see the different sections of it all as a whole. Normally this can be set up to play automatically. You can also control the play and stop by the button on the toolbar just at the top of the 3D view. If I go ahead and play this animation, we now see the model building up from the first slice through to the final full assembly, where each section or slab of the model is progressively added into the current scene. This also can be manipulated while it's playing back. I can rotate to a different point of view, such as looking down at the top, or zooming into some detail. This is a quick overview of progressive animation, where the key ideas are to control the animation based on the sequence animation along with the progressive mode option.